Hi friends, this is Rajesh and welcome to my YouTube channel EduDesk One Stop Destination. Friends, today I'm gonna show you how to find out the square of a number by using the diagonal method. Suppose I want to find out the square of any two-digit number. For example, let it be 46. Okay friends, now I will try to find out the square of this number with the help of diagonal method. Now let's see what are the steps. So first of all, we need to draw a square. Okay. According to step 2, we need to divide it into 4 sub-squares. Okay friends, we need to divide it into 4 sub-squares. According to step 3, we need to insert the diagonals like this. Okay friends, again I am repeating, according to first step we have to draw a square, then we need to divide it into 4 sub-squares, and in the third step we need to insert the diagonals. Okay friends, now come to the step 4. So in the step 4, we need to write down the digits 4 and 6 both horizontally and vertically. Okay friends, we need to write down the numbers both horizontally and vertically. According to step 5, we need to multiply each digits on the left of the square with each digit on the top of the square, one by one. Okay friends, but before solving this we have to know two conditions. Let me tell you what are those two conditions. So according to condition 1, if the product is a one-digit number, then write the unit digit below the diagonal and put 0 above the diagonal. Okay friends, so here you can see when 2 gets multiplied by 2, here we get the product 4, which is a one-digit number, and here the 4 stands for your unit digit. So according to condition 1, if the product is a one-digit number, then in that case that unit digit will be written below the diagonal. As there is no tens digit in this case, so in that case simply we have to put 0 above the diagonal. Okay friends, now come to the condition 2. According to condition 2, if the product is a two-digit number, in that case we need to write down the unit digit below the diagonals and the tens digit above the diagonals. Okay friends, here as you can see the example, when 4 gets multiplied by 4, then we get the product 16, which is a two-digit number, right? So here your 1 stands for your tens digit and your 6 stands for your units digit. So according to condition, here we need to mention the unit digit, which is 6, below the diagonal, and we need to mention the tens digit, which is 1 over here above the diagonal. Okay friends, so according to these conditions, the space below the diagonal, that is for unit digit, and the space which is above the diagonal, that is for tens digit. Okay friend, that means the space which is below the diagonal, that is for units digit, and the space which is above the diagonal, that is for your tens digit. Okay friends, now back to the point. So what we have seen in the first step, so in the first step what we have done, first of all we have drawn a square, then we have divided it into 4 subsquares. Then we have inserted the diagonals. Then we have write down the digits 4 and 6 both horizontally and vertically. Then what we have done? Then we have multiplied the digits of each digits on the left of the square with each digits on the top of the square one by one. That means 4 4s are 4 6s are 6 4s are 6 6s are. Okay friends, now let's check what about step 6. According to step 6, starting below the lowest diagonal, sum the digits diagonally. That means from this point we need to sum the digits diagonally, right friends? From this point we need to start. Okay, and according to step 7, if the sum is a two-digit number, in that case underline the unit digit and carry over the tens digit to the next diagonal. Which is added over here. Okay friends, so now let's see. So according to step 6, we will start from here. So when we add this diagonal, here we get the answer 6. So 6 is a single digit number. As it is a single digit number, so we need to keep it as it is. Only we need to draw an underline here. Okay friends, now come to the second diagonal. Here the sum comes up as 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. So friend, here the sum is a two-digit number. As per step 7, if the sum is a two-digit number, in that case we need to underline the unit digit and carry over the tens digit to the next diagonal. Okay friends, now moving to the third diagonal. Here the sum comes up as 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 2 10. So here the total is 10, and here we have to add 1 because it is carried from the previous diagonal. Now you got it? Now the total sum comes up to 11. Okay friends, now it is again a two-digit number, means here the sum is a two-digit number. Again, according to the step 7, we need to underline the unit digit and we need to carry forward the tens digit to the next diagonal. Okay friends, now what are the last and the final diagonal is 1. The total sum is 1 and we need to add 1 because in the previous diagonal we have carried 1. Now the total sum comes up to 2. Okay friends, now 2 is a single digit number, so we need to underline it as a unit digit. Now how to find out the answer? See friends, now we have to write down all the units digits which are underlined starting from above. Okay friends, now we need to write down all the units digit which are underlined starting from above. Okay friends, now what should be our answer here? Here it is 2, then 1, 1, then 6. That means our answer is 2116. Okay friends, which is a square of 46. Now friends, let's see whether our answer is correct or wrong. (46) into 46. That means our answer is correct. I hope friends this video has been useful to you. If you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos So till then, bye friends and take care.